How to teach online, basics for new online teachers. Are you new to online teaching and feeling overwhelmed? Teaching online can be an experience because it requires different skills and techniques. With the right tips, examples, and resources, any teacher can learn how to teach online. Here are 10 quick tips for teachers who are new to teaching online. 1. Utilize familiar tools. When considering options for virtual learning, investigate platforms or applications that you or your students may already be comfortable with using. This will help reduce the learning curve associated with mastering a new system. 2. Make use of existing resources. Review existing materials within your subject area, such as textbooks and supplemental readings, and consider how they can be adapted for digital instruction. Utilize free websites and apps whenever possible, because many offer great educational content without requiring any subscription fees. 3. Create a proper workspace. Establishing a secure and organized working environment will encourage students to stay on task and engage with course material. Define what platform your class will use for communication and instructions, and show them how to use it. 4. Make sure that your students have easy access to all class resources. Create digital folders that they can access at any time and include links in your emails or messages on the platform, so they don't miss out on important content or activities. Utilize examples whenever possible so that learners gain a better understanding of what is expected of them. 5. Provide clear expectations. Create clear rules around online student etiquette by including them in your syllabus at the beginning of the term. Doing this will reduce distractions during class sessions so that everyone can focus on learning content. 6. Build student relationships. Utilize video conferencing tools like Skype or Zoom to create virtual classrooms and connect with your students face-to-face. This will help build relationships between you and your students, which is key for engagement. 7. Incorporate interactive activities into each lesson, such as polls or quizzes using tools like Kahoot or Quizzes. Doing this can help get feedback from your students on how well they understand material, while also keeping them engaged throughout the class period. 8. Pay attention to the needs of your students and understand how to maximize their learning outcomes. Make sure that you create short-term goals with measurable objectives so that you can track student progress throughout your course. 9. Listen to students' feedback on what works best for them while they're learning in a remote environment. Not only will this help you tailor your course material accordingly, but it will also show that you value their opinion and want them to get the most out of their education. 10. Partner with your students' parents or guardians. This partnership will help ensure that students are receiving the best possible educational experience from home. It is also important to stay connected with your students and provide them with a supportive environment by being available for questions. Thanks for watching How to Teach Online with the Online Adjunct.